Hello, my name is Vesna, and I refuse to do my makeup for YouTube videos. That's where we're at. You know, one video gets 1,000 views, and I all of a sudden can't put makeup on to film. But what we're gonna do today is I'm being lazy, and so I'm not gonna put on any makeup. And I just got out of the shower. I have my towel on my head, and we're gonna just do. Just like always, has to be in the videos. We're just gonna mask. I'm gonna use 2 different masks on my face, and we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing. To be fair, I did unbox everything already, so I'm gonna do Allure, I'm gonna do Ipsy, but before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and you can give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And then you can follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. Like drooling. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so first I'm just gonna put on the mask. Yeah, the cats have been like non-stop laying on my desk, so there's just fur everywhere. So the first mask I'm gonna go in with is the Pores No More vacuum cleaner. Yeah, cleaner. And this is by Dr. Brandt. Put that around my porous area, which is my nose and my cheeks. And we're just gonna do the bottom. And we're just gonna do the whole face. I really like that one, but it smells weird to me. The second mask I'm gonna go into is the Derma E Purifying 2-in-1 Charcoal Mask. And I guess we're just gonna have to put this on the perimeter and the top of my forehead. I wanted to do 2 different masks because I'm unboxing like 2 different subscriptions, so I thought it'd be like funny. But not like funny haha, but like funny like no one cares. Alright, so Ipsy is about $10 a month. It's like $10.80, or at least I pay $10.80. And you get like a little makeup bag every month, so this is this month's bag. It's nice. But, I mean, I've said this in unboxings before, but I give all my bags to my mom, and she's a school nurse, and she gives them out to, like, girls starting their period for the first time, or even if they're not for the first time, but, like, to have something cute to carry around, like tampons and pads and stuff. So, you know, that's an idea. So, yeah, let's just do it. So, Ipsy does points, so if you review your products, you get points, and you can redeem your points for products. It's a whole thing. So I actually redeemed some points this time, and I bought the Sugar, actually I haven't opened this yet, but the Sugar Cosmetics Contour de Force Mini Bronzer, and this is in the shade Woody Wonder, and it looks like that. And I redeemed this product specifically because I was sent in my Ipsy a couple times ago, months ago, whatever, this mini blush in Peach Peak. And I really, really like it. I can't stop reaching for it. So, it's actually the same exact packaging. I got, yeah, I got it. So, I'm excited to try it out. So, that was a couple 100 points. And then I also added on stuff. So, Ipsy allows you to add on. I added on a couple things. One of them did not show up, however, but I emailed them. And I said this on my Instagram story, so if you don't follow me, you wouldn't know. But I was so happy with their customer service. I emailed them at like 4:43. They responded at like 9:27. I don't know what time it was, but they were so good. I was like, are you going to be sending me the product I ordered, or are you going to be giving me a refund? Just let me know. I said like nicer, probably. And they were like, yeah, we're going to send you out the product. That was like, I want to say it was like 2 days ago maybe at this point, but I got a tracking notification today, so should be here soon. But the products that I redeemed, or I added on rather, you pay for them, it's just at a discount. The Bye Bye Foundation by It Cosmetics, and I got 2 shades, light and fair. So I have the shade light here, I'm just waiting on the shade fair, but I wanted both of them because I know light is not my color and fair is sometimes too light, so I wanted both shades, and they were only like 12 bucks. So that's what I added on. This is a full-size product. It was $12. So if you have Ipsy as your subscription and you're not checking those add-ons, you really, really need to, because it's such a good deal. Alright, let's get to what I actually got in the bag this month. So the first product is this Pixi by Petra Fresh Face Blush. This is in the shade Peach Parfait. And I've never tried Pixi blushes before. I am on their PR list as far as I know. I mean, I've gotten stuff in PR. I don't know. You know what I mean? I'm on the PR list. And I've never tried their blushes before. I can't get this freaking thing open. So it's like a twist off situation. Okay. Ooh, interesting. So it's kind of like a, it's like a soft formula. So I don't know why I swatched it there, but that's what it looks like. There is some shimmer there I can see. And it's like a gold-ish shimmer. So it's fine. We'll see how it goes. I like the packaging, and I feel like you're going to get a lot of product, but if you see, I already kind of messed up the imprint in there because I dipped in like 3 times. So don't be a savage, okay? But yeah, so that's number 1. What else did I get? What else did I get? Oh, I got a Suva Beauty eyeshadow. I haven't actually opened all this stuff all the way. I just know what I got, but I forgot. Ooh, purple. Ooh, that's pretty. So that's what it looks like. It's just a single eyeshadow. It looks to be full size. That's so pretty. I love the Suva Beauty palette that I have. That's so pretty. It's got like maybe like a taupe base to it. Like a maroon taupe base. I don't know. I'm just saying words. But yeah, that looks really pretty. I would love that on my eyes. I also got, this is actually, oh, so also what Ipsy's doing is you can pick one item every month. Oh wait, are they raising they might be raising their prices to $14. I think I saw someone posting about it. So the 1080 might be temporary. I think they're raising their prices. I'm not sure. I have to look into it, but you can pick a product every month. So I picked the Sunday Riley Tidal Creme Aqua. I don't even know what this is. I saw Sunday Riley and I was like, I want it. It's a brightening, oh, I was reading the French version, or it says it right here. It's the Brightening Enzyme Water Cream. So I'm going to assume, oh, I got it on my lip. I can't put it on right now, but maybe I'll try it after. I'm going to assume it's a moisturizer. So it's kind of cool. And it's a pretty decent size. I mean, for like a sample moisturizer. How many fluid ounces does it say? It says 0.3 fluid ounces, if that means anything to you. Okay, next product. I got the Adesse All Day Lip Cream. I know that Adesse does nail polishes. I don't believe I've ever tried their makeup. Ooh, I like this. I almost don't want to swatch it. It's a little bit messed up, but like I like the curve of the top. Can you see how it's like goes like up? Does that make sense? I don't know, but I don't want to mess it up. Okay. This looks like it would be my kind of color. It is a rose shade, which if you haven't seen my favorite rose and red lipstick video, you should go watch it. But this is beautiful, and it looks like to be a cream finish. I'm going to let that sit on my hand for a little bit. And then the last thing that I got is this Papa Recipe Bombee Honey Moisture Cleansing Foam. It is a face wash, basically. So it looks like this, if it will focus on the product. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's pretty packaging. I don't know if I'll ever use this, to be honest, but yeah, so that is everything I got in my Ipsy bag. So let's move on to Allure. Allure, I think I already threw out the box, so we're just gonna have to go with it. But so the first thing that I got is the Benefit They're Real mascara. I got a sample, and I do like this mascara. This is what it looks like. Looks like that. Yeah, I mean, I feel like it's your basic mascara. I can't really complain, but it's not like life-changing. I also got the Multi-Tasj Eye Serum Mask, and this is by Erno Laszlo. Erno Laszlo. So that it's like eye patches. I haven't opened those yet. I got a Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream. I guess a moisturizer. So this month was big on the moisturizers. Yeah, looks like a good amount too. This one has 0.16 fluid ounces. So the other one has pretty much double. But yeah, I'll try that out. I got the Laritzy Cosmetics Liquid Beam, and this is in the shade Topaz. So I was kind of confused about what this was. But I guess it's like a highlighter. It says, this glittering liquid bronze, oh, it's an eyeshadow. God, I should read more. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I don't know, can you see it? Oh, there you go. Okay, so it's on the corner of my hand right there. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about this. It's really sheer. I'm not like a huge fan of liquid eyeshadows. I don't really use them that often. It's not like I'd hate them, I just don't use them that often. So that's fine. And then we got a Nuria Triple Action Eye Cream, which feels really nice, and it has, I'm really excited about this part. It has this like the eye thing where you can like, do you know what I mean? Like it just like goes on the eye. I don't know. I was very excited about this too. But yeah, so that's exciting. I like the package, this color combination too. This like peach and blue. Maybe I should do an eye look based on. Let me know. Okay. Next thing is this Cargo Cosmetics lipstick. And look how beautiful this shade is. Isn't that beautiful? And then another thing is this packaging feels so nice. So this retails for $22. This feels like such luxe packaging. I'm gonna, ooh, oh, it's very, 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 very creamy. So it's just like kind of like a true red, maybe a brick red, I don't know. But yeah, that's beautiful. And then I believe the last thing I got is a little sample of the makeup eraser. So it's called the Mini, and it's in the shade. It's in black. I think they do pink ones too. But it says that I should wash it first, and it also has like two sides. So it has like an exfoliating side and a makeup removing side. So that's kind of interesting because I didn't realize that. I don't know if that's like that for all of them or if it's just this one, but I have to wash it first before I can use it. So that is everything that I got in my Ipsy and Allure box this month. Oh, Allure is $16.20 a month, but I believe if you sign up like as a first time user, you might get like $5 or $10 off. So I would check that out before just like willy-nilly signing up. A lot of people have like discount codes and stuff. I don't think that I do. But you can sign up for Ipsy down below if you like, and BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm was a past video. But yeah, so let me know what you think of this month's boxes, and which do you think was the better box? I like bits and pieces from each of them. Like I like this blush from Ipsy, but I like this lipstick from Cargo or from Allure. So I like the Sunday Riley thing because I would never try this otherwise. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!